So I have been trying to figure out for weeks how to, in Weebly, make the navigation link to not another page, but somewhere else down on the same page. So I finally figured it out, and I'm creating this video to not only have a reference for myself, but also to share it with anybody else who may be struggling. So I sell websites for pretty cheap, and I usually just build them in Weebly. So because of the price point that I sell these websites for, I can't really afford to then go into the app section and pay like $5 or $10 a month for an app that allows me to have a single page like scrolling website. So I have to figure out how to do it on my own in order to keep the price points low for someone who just wants a cheap website. So finally figured out how to do it, and I'm going to share it with you right now. All right, so I've already done the About Us section and the Services section. So now I'm going to I'll create a link for our recent work. So the text you need, let me find it here so you can see it. All right, so you have to insert this code, and I just copied it there, but I'll do it down here. And I have a toddler, so let me pause this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the build section. I am going to drag the embed code right to the top of the section that I want this next scrolling link to go to. Edit HTML. I'm going to paste this code. Instead of services, I'm going to put like recent work. That's going to be my keyword. And I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to use it in a second. That is my like anchor keyword. And then see how it's not there because it's an HTML code. So I'm going to go to pages, and then I'm going to add a page. It has to be an external page, okay? So external, and then I can name it whatever I want. So I'm going to put recent work, and then you just enter the domain name. After the domain name, you put this little hash sign, and then you put the keyword the anchor keyword that you just used down on the page where you dragged over the embed code. And for me, it was recent work with no space. And open in the same tab. Make sure that's how you want it. And then you just click done. And then I'm going to show you guys. I have to reorder all this up here, but I'm just going to go ahead and publish it so I can show you guys what it looks like. Click on that here, and then you'll see recent work. Bam, takes me right to that section. And I might even want to put it a little higher up, maybe like the bottom of this section, just so that when it scrolls to that section, it's not like boom right on top of it, something like that. So I might have to play around with the positioning a little bit. But that's how you do it. That's how you make a single scrolling page without having to buy any additional apps and pay some ridiculous monthly fee for it. And that's how you can make your navigation links point to any section on your website. Hope this helps.